Hey everyone, welcome back to SurvivalScope. Today I'm excited to share with you a fantastic piece of gear that's been a game changer for me, the BougeRV Telescopic Camping Lantern. While it's designed for camping, I've found it to be incredibly versatile and useful in a variety of situations, from emergency preparedness to everyday tasks. As someone who's passionate about being prepared for any situation, I'm always on the lookout for tools that can serve multiple purposes. And let me tell you, this lantern delivers. Whether you're a seasoned camper, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who wants to be ready for emergencies, this product is definitely worth considering. Key features: brightness and coverage. This lantern offers up to 3,000 lumens of brightness, which is more than enough to light up a campsite or a large area. It features 3 flexible LED panels that can be adjusted to cover a wide area, making it perfect for outdoor activities like camping, backyard parties, or even working on projects after dark. Battery life. With a 15,600 mAh battery, it can provide up to 60 hours of light on the lowest setting. That's over 7 8-hour nights. And not only that, it doubles as a power bank. And yes, you can also charge all of your devices with it. This means you can rely on it for extended periods without needing to recharge. The battery life is one of the standout features of this lantern, especially when you're in situations where you can't easily recharge. Adjustability. The telescopic design allows you to adjust the height from 10.6 inches to 64.57 inches, which is fantastic for illuminating different areas. Each panel can tilt horizontally at 270 degrees and vertically at 180 degrees, giving you complete control over where the light shines. This adjustability is incredibly useful, whether you're setting up a campsite or working on a project and need backup lighting. Modes. It includes cool light, warm light, SOS mode, and a flashlight mode. The SOS feature is particularly useful in emergency situations, such as being stranded on the side of the road. The cool light mode is great for tasks that require precision, while the warm light mode is more comfortable for general lighting needs. Portability. Weighing only 2.3 pounds. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for backpacking or keeping in your vehicle. The compact size when collapsed means it won't take up much space in your backpack or emergency kit. Emergency preparedness. In a power outage or blackout, this lantern can be a lifesaver. Its long battery life and adjustable brightness ensure you have reliable lighting when you need it most. Plus, the SOS mode can be used to signal for help if you're stranded. In emergency situations, having a reliable light source can make all the difference. It's not just about seeing what you're doing, it's also about being seen by others who might be able to assist you. For those who are serious about emergency preparedness, this lantern should definitely be on your radar. It's a versatile tool that can provide light for extended periods, which is crucial in situations where you might not have access to electricity for days. Vehicle use. If you're stranded on the side of the road, this lantern can provide essential light for working under the hood or signaling for help. Imagine being able to illuminate your engine bay clearly while trying to diagnose a problem, or using the SOS mode to alert other drivers that you are broken down and may need assistance. It's a simple but effective way to stay safe and visible. You can place the lantern on top of your vehicle with the SOS mode activated to signal for help. This is especially important if you're in a remote area with limited visibility, home projects. I've also used it to provide lighting when working on our tiny home after dark. The adjustable height and angle of the panels make it easy to direct light exactly where I need it. Whether I'm working on plumbing or pulling electrical wire, having reliable lighting makes all the difference. And as you can see, this lantern provides ample lighting. It's not just about seeing what you're doing, it's also about safety. With this lantern, I can ensure that I have enough light to work safely and efficiently around the home. Additional uses. Beyond camping and emergency situations, this lantern is also great for backyard gatherings or outdoor events. The adjustable brightness and wide coverage area make it perfect for lighting up a patio or a large outdoor space. Plus, the compact size means it won't take up too much space when not in use. For those who enjoy outdoor activities like hiking or backpacking, this lantern is a great addition to your gear. It's lightweight, compact, and provides reliable lighting for extended periods. Special offer for our viewers. As part of our collaboration with BougeRV, we are excited to offer our viewers a special discount. I've provided a link in the description. Use the code SCOPE at checkout to receive 30% off your purchase of the telescopic camping lantern. This is a fantastic opportunity to get this versatile tool at a discounted price. Conclusion: the BougeRV telescopic camping lantern is more than just a camping accessory. It's a versatile tool that can enhance your emergency preparedness, provide light in emergencies, and assist with many other projects. Its durability, portability, and multiple lighting modes make it an essential item for anyone who spends time outdoors or wants to be prepared for unexpected situations. Before we wrap up, I'd like to extend a big thank you to BougeRV for sponsoring this video. Their support allows us to bring you in-depth reviews of high-quality products like this lantern. We appreciate their commitment to creating innovative outdoor gear that makes a real difference in our adventures and preparedness efforts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to SurvivalScope for more reviews and survival tips. If you have any questions or experiences with this lantern, leave them in the comments below. We're always eager to hear from our community. Until next time, be safe out there, guys.